We're looking at number 13. Number 13 wants us to find the circumference of a circle with an area of 676 pi millimeters squared. I think that's what it says. Let me just check my paper. Yeah, 676 pi square millimeters. Okay, so what we have to first do is look at what we're given. We're trying to find the circumference of a circle, and what it's given here is the circle has an area of 676 pi millimeters squared. So remember, we have circumference is equal to 2 pi r. What we need from the area formula, area is equal to pi r squared. So what we need, what they share between both of them, is that radius. But what we're given here is the actual answer, area. Alright, so what we have here is 676 pi millimeters squared is equal to pi r squared. First, what we're going to do is divide both sides by pi. We get right here 676 millimeter squared equals r squared, and then from here what we have is 676 square rooted. We square root both sides all the way. We get 26 millimeters is equal to r. What we have here, as you can notice, is that we have this radius given, so we plug her on in over here. So C is equal to 2 pi times 26 millimeters, and 26 times 2 would get us 52, yep. So our answer would be, in terms of pi, 52 pi millimeters. Alright, and that would be what we were looking for. Again, 52 pi millimeters. And that would be for number 13. Number 14 says, find the circumference of a circle with an area of 1,134.11 meters squared. So circumference of a circle with an area, so the circle has an area of 1,134.11 meters squared. So we're given we want to find the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, and area is equal to pi r squared. So what they share in common here is the radius. So the goal is we want to get the radius between both. All right. What we're trying to find with that radius is the circumference, and what we're given is that area. So what we're going to do is we have 1,134.11 meters squared equals pi times r squared. So right here, the first thing we're going to do, divide both sides by pi, divide by pi. Right here, we're going to use 3.14, so 1134.11 divided by 300.14. We get about 361 point, we'll just round up to 2 meters squared equals r squared. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to square root both sides, square root both sides. What you have here, 361.2, square root both sides, you get 19.0. So 19.0 meters squared, or meters, sorry, is equal to r. Now that we know the radius, I'm going to plug it in here to find what the circumference is. So we do that. We have C is equal to 2 times pi times 19 meters, and we have C is equal to 2 times 19 gets you 38, so 38 pi meters, or estimation would be 3.14, 119 14.3 meters. All right, and that's how you could do number 14. Number 15, we're about to do number 15. Number 15 says, find the area of a circle with a circumference of 53.41 inches. So the goal here is we want to find the area of a circle with a circumference of 53.41 inches. So right here is we want to find the area. Area is equal to pi r squared. So that's what we want to find. And we're given circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. This is what we're given. What both equations require is the radius. So what we're going to do is we have to find that radius to solve for this. So we have right here 53.41 inches is equal to 2 pi r. So I'm going to change that pi into 3.14, so I'm going to divide both sides by 6.28, 2 pi. So right here we get 53.41 divided by 6.28, and we get about 8.5. So about 8.5 is equal to the radius. Alright, so again we're just focused on here. Now that we know the radius, what we're going to do is we're going to plug our end over here and find our area. So area is equal to 8.5 what inches? So we have pi times 8.5 inches squared, 8.5 squared. You square it, you get 72.25 pi inches squared, or if you want a more exact answer, times by 3.14. The area is equal to 226.865, would be 0.9 inches squared. Alright, and that's how you would do number 15.